You got to care by yourself. You have only eyes. May have this dance, may have been so cold. So the night is oh so cold. I can see you got a ring on your finger. Waste time on your hand. You go and call it your wedding band. I think that I said that wrong.
Okay, I'm laughing. That was funny. That was funny.
I almost died. Your heart goes with God to me to heal. And I'll be your man of heal. I love it, it's real. The night is so very cold. I'm going to need some oil.
I don't get nobody. You gotta work.
I know.
Girls who are born can really make it right. Stay with me tonight.
Yeah.
Who are from can really make it right.
Yeah.
Stay with me tonight. You got a ring on your finger.
Yeah.
Who leave my time on your hand.
Yeah. You got a ring on your hand. Yeah.
I'm going to see bedroom. What if I get CMD coming again?
Yeah.
Are you with him? No, you fucking are with him. Alright. This is them punani. That's it. Give me punani. One punani. Any punani and the same punani. But then the girl them really alright. If them not say, oh my God! Then me don't feel like a sex me a have. Can't people a jump on with sweat. And when you don't get a even start yet, rip off your pants. That's your last shot. We find it in the yard.
I understand. I know. I'm not even making one.
Work it. Please not laugh. Punch is slide. Back shot. Sit down for it. You know, go here. Damn. You know what they can put the shot in. You know how to really chill, man. When you're tired to really ride it. You're not going to really pull out of it. And then you have to really do a flip. Synchronize yourself to the side of it. Underneath all of them, you love it. When you lay down, on your back.
So basically, he's having a sexual conversation by himself.
Calm it down. This is how I do it. When you swim on it like this, still, in the it. Be able to go to your nose 7 scale. Calm it now, go pull out of it. And that's how you must know how to switch spot. You must know how to really change out without really pull out of it. Underneath them, you're wicked right in. Meow! Meow! Doggy style is the position in. You must know about them, you love it. And ladies, they like how the stuff is in the make it sound like a windshield wiper. Ladies like how the stuff in the pollen. Them say it sound like a windshield wiper. Them ball out and get sniper.
Get him a towel.
There's nothing wrong if you snap the backside. Underneath all of them, you love it. Bye. Call ladies from there. When we Batman are sing up from there. And bye. Can I go? When Batman really and I love it, you must know how to feel. Bye. Can I go? When she and I give you a rose dog. What is that? Now this is when the ladies say, it's the ladies seminar, when they want to learn to find their G-spot, and they're very quiet so they want to learn it. And here it goes. Darling, between the clitoris and your pelvis, when you want to really locate it, they press the palm of your hand, face down on your vulva, slide your finger just about an inch inside of your vagina, till you have about 2 knuckles down. You feel that ear that's not as smooth as the upper wall of your vagina. It should feel a little spongy. Caress it till you feel like you want to urinate. Continue to do it. Then you really locate it. And you get the fire G-spot. You must add clitoral stimulation to your G-spot play. Understand when you get on your back. Sometimes you really depend on your stomach. You can't use Kegel exercise to straighten up your PC muscle. Understand all of them are styling. When bad man really make you know. When you want it, excite yourself. When bad man over the telephone, and before me we quit the tiger phone, and you into different time zone, and you are really screaming. There's nothing wrong with that. Darling, when you really,
Let's be alright.
you're home alone, and you say you really want to love it. There's nothing wrong with that. Just really excite yourself to come over. I'm ready to love it. All it man are where the woman them want. All it man are where the woman them want. I want you to really understand. One time gone it was the dreadlocks. Nowadays they want to watch the movie. So them can't say, you Brian, them can't give us a telly stop and last. The game show they want to see Howie Mandel. Basketball game they want to see Michael Jordan. And detergent and get them Mr. Clean. Understand? Call it man. I run the bedroom haunted. Call it man. I run the nightclub haunted. Understand?
Alright. You don't get money for this. You better bank on that.
Alright, give me one next one. Yeah, give me the same rhythm again. Come on, yeah, do something. Let me give you a strap the island Jamaica. Listen good. Listen good. Them Sir Christopher. You ready? Them Sir Christopher Columbus was a great founder. Come back again, selector. One more time. You know it again. On the next side, alright. Let's flip over there. Next side. Yeah, ready.
Oh, you gotta go on the B side of the tape.
Y'all can know?
Tape B.
Wait up. See him beat?
Side B.
Run it again. See him ready. Yeah.
It's a tape record.
Run the trap. It's trap Jamaica, listen good. Some guys don't come from Jamaica, but they come from Queens, New York. You know what I'm saying? And don't make them lie to you about Jamaica Queens. You know what I'm saying? Hear me now. Let me tell you about Jamaica. There's a Christopher Columbus was a great founder. Born and grown in Italy, in Jamaica. Yes, he was the son of a wool weaver. And with the Pinta, the Nine, and the Santa Maria. King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella. Them dash out their ship and stick out them anchor. Run out of wood and run out of water. Land up little them call Santa Gloria. You know liar John the King of Port Royal. Earthquake below the bottom of the Caribbean Sea. Henry Morgan, Idol, and them and treachery. Don't forget Sir Alexander Bustamante. Don't forget Marcus Messiah Garvey. Don't forget Roger and don't forget Manny. Bob Marley and Merlin Hattie. Donald Corey and Verlac Campbell. It's like the same gold win the gold medals with Jamaica. And you can drive from Kingston to Old Harbor. Santa Cruz, Santa Barbara till you touch Nova. You can't drive a junction, you must turn over. Barry T, our first radio announcer. Edward E, our first civil governor. Never lose a war, them always conquer. Columbus is winning in 1493. One day back all of them in discovery. English fight them out and sign a peace treaty. First great one that was Herbert Henley. And first great batsman that a George Headley. 62 liberation all Jamaican. First festival song, What a Bam Bam. Done by the triple to centimeters. We got to Negril just like the Cuban land. 29 flood really sink Westmoreland. Lyrics like this microphone in the hand. Now come and dance, come cross no woman. Before you start that, yes, your mother is one. 9 months to come from another area land. Under all of them as civilization. You want to visit? Alright. So that's to visit? Yes, so good. It's money to visit. Emperor Haile Selassie to visit. It was in the year 1966 when Selassie I got it back. Got it out. Selassie visit. It was the year 1966 when Selassie I made that visit. Rasta met the Babylon, them look like rubbish. Thousands of people are yes, the county. It was good weather and the rain did not drip. And every dreadlock them just abundant just split. And when the plane land begin the Rasta music, Selassie come out with him lion and his stick. He was a short man about 4'6". Upon the plane bring a flock of white bird pitch. A man so short and regal and majestic. Now to get to the crowd in white glove. And then going to farm at X amount of white. Give it back again. Them none whistle I just say. Everybody should have known. Something banana. Everybody should have known. Something banana. Oh, till last year, yes. Understand? It is fear of majesty. Emperor. Hear me now. 66. When the last guy made that visit, a Rasta make it Babylon, it looks like rubbish. Thousands of people, and yes, the crowd came. It was good weather and the rain did I drip. And every dreadlock, them just abundant as split. And when the plane done, me hear the Rasta music. The last he come out with him lion and him stick. He must a short man about 446. Upon the plane with a flock of white bird pitch. A man for Santa Rita, Lord Majestic. Still have to get the crowd. They're not in white club. Put it up as if I'm holy for white dove. Holy for peace and X amount of love. Is imperial X Majesty. Direct descendant of the Queen of Sheba. Judah King David and King Solomon. Conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. You must know His Majesty. Understand if you pants a snag, you can't hold the lion flag. Understand? You have to militant. And if your pants are snag and you show people underwear, then you can't hold up the lion flag. You can't hold up His Majesty flag. If your pants are snag. Understand? I am sure people should underwear. When you talk about the Imperial Majesty, you have to dress militantly. You hear what I'm saying? Until the color of a man's skin is of no more significance to the color of his eyes. He'll be wearing hard war down south and war and rumors of war until that day. World citizenship, world economic opportunity, and until that day. And because you don't know people will find the story because it's good over evil. Understand? Until that day, the unhappy regime that goes over brothers in Angola. Some of you are fucking unbelievable. What a little try. Save the war.
Good job.
What's
your name?
Too Derby.
Too what? Too Derby?
It's like hat. Too Derby hat.
What's a Too Derby?
You know, we put two hats together.
Like what?
We put two Derby hats together.
Two dirty hats?
Derby.
What's that? Derby? Oh, a derby? What's a derby then?
You know what a derby hat is?
Nah.
Hat like this.
And you put two of those hats together to make one.
Yeah, one of them was too big, so they just called me Too Derby.
So they call you Too Derby?
Too Derby, yeah. Take care of my dog, Atlantic.
All right.
Next time.
The next topic, 7 Alex.